All right, today's video is on the best types of blogs to start. And I'll just tell you right off the bat, the best type of blog to start is a lifestyle blog. Today's video is about why a lifestyle blog is the best type of blog to start compared to niche blogs. There's a lot I could say on this topic, but I'll just keep it short and sweet. If you create a niche blog, it's very easy for somebody like me to come along that has a shitload of experience and basically just do a better job than you, knock you off. If I were to come along and see your lifestyle blog that incorporates your unique personality, your unique traits, your unique life experience, your unique problems, your unique strong suits, and things that you enjoy, we're encompassing what I call the 5 pillars of strength. So anyone can take what their 5 pillars of strength are and turn that into a lifestyle blog, lifestyle business, etc. Now, that's very hard to compete with. There's literally no competition for that. And here's why. So I don't know how the best way to explain this to you, but I'm just going to lay it out for you. If I start creating content around my 5 pillars of strength, and let's just say one of them is my hobbies, which is ATVs. Another thing would be some health problems that I've had, something around issues or life experience that I've encountered. Another thing would be around my strong suits, which is web design, anything internet marketing related that I've had a ton of experience with, that I could basically walk someone through with the back of, on the back of my hand because I know it so well because I've lived it for a decade or more. And then things that I'm passionate about or things that I like, let's just say it's product reviews or something. Like these are my 5 or 4 or whatever. They're arbitrary. It doesn't matter if it's just the fact that you get the example matters. Now, let's just say that I do this. Now, for someone else to come along and copy this, they're not going to have the same personality. They're not going to have the same enthusiasm or the same charisma or the same passion around the subjects. And so what happens is we end up with 2 different yet similar business models or brands. The content is similar, but the delivery is completely different. And how this changes things is through the audience's viewpoint. So if you're the audience and you see me doing this, and then you see Joe over here, and he's doing the same thing, but in his own way. If you take 200,000 people, there's 100,000 of those people that are going to see me and they're going to hate me. They just don't like me. They don't like what I resonate, they don't resonate with me. They don't like how I come off. They don't like that I use profanity. They don't like my life experience. They don't like my version of my stories. They don't like my solutions to problems that they have that they were hoping to get answers from me since I've been through it too. But they love Joe because Joe is an introvert or more introverted than me. I'm actually introverted, but his delivery is different. His life experiences were different. I can't compete with him and he can't compete with me on this umbrella of a level. This is why I think lifestyle blogs are way better ideas to start than niche blogs, because you don't know what niches are going to work best for you until There's an airboat. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that is really loud. You don't know what niches are going to work best for you or what's going to hit for you or what you're going to have success with when you first start. You can get a feel for it after you begin and you're working on things. I mean, I say this all the time. I feel like a broken record, but it's so true. If you want to pigeonhole yourself with a niche blog, so Joe's got a niche blog on, something. And I've got a niche blog on something, and I come along, and we're both just doing the exact same thing. We're not interjecting our personality. We're not building a lifestyle brand or a brand that we own around it. It's just like, best widgets or best cameras or something like that. And we're just talking about cameras in the same way. But it's not lifestyle oriented. We're not telling a story about how this solved a problem for us or how we use it for this or how we use it for that. And there's not sticky stuff on the blog that's related but different, like how I got into this, a problem I had last week, how my car broke and I fixed it for $20 or, all this stuff that allows an audience to connect with you on another level aside from the little niche that you're trying to serve or make money in or whatever. All those things matter and make a huge difference and eliminate the ability for somebody else to come along and just knock you off or have competition. The other thing that it does is it allows you to dabble in a bunch of little sub-niches to see where you're able to have success. If you think that you're going to start talking about car tires on, some best cameras blog or YouTube channel, you're kidding yourself, right? If you pigeonhole yourself into one thing and you want to go experiment over here, There is some truth to you should have a niche brand, but I say you should have a niche brand or you should choose niches 2 years after you start a lifestyle blog. You should start a lifestyle blog and try everything that you possibly can. Seriously, unless you have experience doing this, unless you have 5 to 10 years of experience starting successful blogs, you should not be choosing your own niche the day you start because you're setting yourself up for failure. You're watching these YouTube videos and you're following bad advice. Sure, I could tell you some profitable niches, but I don't know you without speaking to you and sitting down with you and feeling your energy and listening to your life experience and knowing if the way that you speak and what you want to do is going to resonate with that audience. If we did that, I could tell you whether or not you'd be successful pretty quickly. But usually people need to find that out for themselves because they don't even know. They wouldn't even know how to answer those questions because they don't know what they don't know, right? So the best thing for people to do, in my opinion, if you want to start a successful blog, the best type of blog to start, period, is a lifestyle blog. And I'm going to get into this in future videos, but the other thing is the tax benefits. No lifestyle blogger out there is talking about this. I don't know why, because I've saved hundreds of thousands of dollars in good old taxes simply from running a lifestyle business and having a lifestyle blog. People need to be, I don't give a shit if you're a teacher and you make $22,000 a year. You damn well better have a lifestyle, a part-time business on the side with a lifestyle blog LLC or business LLC, because you can be writing off stuff that are legitimate business expenses that are not tax evasion. Now, people don't go crazy on me about tax evasion. This is not how to get out of paying taxes. This is just about, hey, here's a few things in the IRS code that say if you run, X amount of business and it's an actual for-profit business, it's not a hobby business, there are legitimate business expenses that bleed through to lifestyle items or things that you would need for a lifestyle business. And they're things that are regular and customary or regular and exclusive usage. I can't even speak. What I'm saying is there's things that you use in your everyday life to where if those become a significant portion of a lifestyle business, they become tax deductible in a legitimate way. You need to leverage this. You could set up a lifestyle business and immediately write off $25,000 worth of stuff in your first year. I don't know why more people aren't doing this, but anyway, I'm getting off on a tangent and a rant. Sorry about that. Best type of blog to start is definitely a lifestyle blog. Let me know what you guys want to see in further videos. I'm going to make some tutorials next month. I'm taking questions, so if you want a particular guide or something created or a course or whatever, let me know in the comments and be specific as possible. See you in tomorrow's video. Have a great day.